Hello skaters! In this tutorial we will learn one of the most elegant and challenging turns, the backward outside loop. It's all about control, balance and clean edge. Whether you are just starting to learn loops or looking to refine your edge quality, these exercises will help you master it step by step. Let's get started. Our first exercise will be backward outside edges on half circles. Keep your upper body twisted outside of the circle and your free leg extended in front of you. Turn out and point it. Make sure to keep your hips under your body and twist your upper body outside of the circle each time you draw a half circle. Bend your knee and ankle for a deeper edge. The second exercise will be on a figure 8 pattern with small circles where we will trace backward loops on 2 feet. Start gliding on both feet and rotate your upper body outside of the circle along the line. Begin to move your heels toward the center of the circle, drawing a small circle inside the big one. As you return to the large circle, rotate your upper body into the circle while moving your hips in the opposite direction. Then start a new circle from a 2-foot glide. Rotate your upper body outside of the circle, bend your knees and ankles, and draw a smaller circle on top of the big one. On the exit, again move your upper body into the circle and your hips out of the circle at the same time to return to your pattern. Repeat several times. Exercise number 3, glide on a backward outside edge around the circle for as long as you can hold your balance. Start on a larger circle, keeping your free leg in front, turned out and pointed. Continue rotating your upper body outside of the circle, pulling your leading shoulder back. Practice both directions. Focus on your body alignment. Maintain the upper body twist, keep your hips over your skating foot, and stay on the front part of your blade to prepare yourself for the backward outside loop. For skaters who are still working on their edges, I recommend checking out my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com. There you will find great step-by-step tutorials every skater needs, from first steps on the ice to basic spins, single jumps, edges, and other skating skills. Click the link above or look in the description below for more information and sign up today. Exercise number 4, backward power pulls. During this exercise, we're going to emphasize holding the backward outside edge. Keep your upper body twisted outside of the circle with your free leg in front of you. After completing the backward outside edge during the power pull, bring free leg behind, twist your upper body outside of the circle again and complete the inside edge. On the next pull, bring your free leg forward again and twist your upper body outside of the circle one more time. This exercise helps develop the timing between the upper body twist and free leg movement if you are practicing your backward outside loop from power pulls. So focus on your knees and ankles, bend down during the half circle, rise slightly on the power pull, and bend down again as you begin the next half circle. Exercise number 5, we are going to do a backward scratch spin in an open position in both directions, focusing on controlling the backward outside edge on small circles to better understand the loop motion. Start from a forward inside 3 turn. After the 3 turn, keep your free leg in front of you, bend your knees and ankles, and draw as many small circles on the backward outside edge as you can. Keep your hips over your skating foot, moving backward to prevent yourself from turning into another 3 turn. At the end, bring your free leg back and exit the circle. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Also consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can contact me directly by email with all your questions and even request a personalized video for the element you are working on. Click the link above or look in the description below for more information and join today. Exercise number 6 was the most challenging for my skater, as it requires a lot of strength and perfect timing. The exercise involves gliding around a figure 8 pattern using only one foot for an extended period of time. I even had to step in and try it myself, just like when I was a skater working on many figures on the ice. This is one of the best exercises for balance, timing, strength, and deep edges to prepare yourself for the backward loops. Start with your upper body twisted outside of the circle on the outside edge, with your free leg in front of you. After completing the half circle, pull your free leg back, straighten your skating leg, and perform a power pull into the next circle. Immediately after the pull, bring your free leg forward again, twisting your upper body outside of the circle. After the next half circle, bring your free leg back and power pull into the following circle. Continue this as long as you can. If this is too difficult, start with just 2 circles. Begin from a backward inside edge with your free leg in front and upper body twisted outside of the circle. At the half circle, bring your free leg back, power pull into the next circle, then bring your free leg forward again, twisting your upper body outside of the circle. Finish there. Then repeat the same exercise on the opposite foot, from backward inside edge to backward outside edge. Once comfortable, try the same exercise multiple times. Start from backward inside edge, power pull into a backward outside edge, and continue in a figure 8 pattern. And finally, exercise number 7, we will practice the backward outside loops back to back. Even if you cannot do a full loop yet, practicing the loop motion back to back will help you develop the correct timing with your upper body, skating leg, and free leg. At first, it might just feel like doing a double 3 turns, and that's okay. Over time, your timing will improve, and you will start doing backward loops naturally. Make sure your hips stay aligned with your skating leg and keep your skating leg soft throughout the entire loop. Press on the ball of your foot as you start the loop. Lead with your upper body, twisting outside of the circle while keeping your free leg in front of you. At the top of the loop, start bringing your free leg back and return your upper body into the circle. Then immediately do a cross roll and start on the next foot. By practicing these exercises step by step, you will build balance, control, strength, and timing, all essential for mastering the backward outside loop. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient with yourself and focus on good technique with every glide, turn, and pull. Keep practicing, and soon the backward loops will feel natural and smooth. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.